Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. First of all, you can open the Messenger application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the three lines at the top left corner of the screen, tap on it, and here you can now tap on archive, and after this you can just simply swipe left of the chat that you want to unarchive, and now tap on unarchive, and this is the first way you can recover archive messages. And the other way is to recover deleted messages. There is no official way to recover deleted messages on Messenger, but if you want to delete the message by mistake, you can just simply tell the other persons that you want to the chat back to your Messenger. The other person is sent to your screenshots of the chat. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.